Falling Empires, Frozen Spies, and Flying Crocodiles, August 14 is delightfully twisted. Welcome to Today in History, your fast pass to the most bizarre, brilliant, and brain-melting moments of the past. August 14 is packed with emperors losing crowns, villains gaining satellites, and heroes getting frozen in more ways than one. Each story is stranger than fiction, but 100% fact. Number 20, August 13, 1521, Tenochtitlán, capital of the Aztec Empire, fell to Hernán Cortés after a brutal siege. Once a floating jewel of civilization, it became rubble under Spanish boots and the foundation of Mexico City. Number 19, August 13, 1624, Cardinal Richelieu became France's chief minister, known as the Red Eminence. He wielded power from behind the throne and inspired countless villains, including the sinister Cardinal in the Three Musketeers. Number 18, August 13, 1704. During the War of the Spanish Succession, Allied forces crushed the French at the Battle of Blenheim. It saved Vienna and gave British General Marlborough a palace as a thank you gift. Number 17, August 13, 1792. French revolutionaries imprisoned King Louis XVI in the Temple Tower. His monarchy was melting faster than wax in the sun, and his royal days were about to be guillotined. Number 16, August 13, 1826. The first student fraternity in the U.S., Kappa Alpha Society, was founded at Union College in New York. Secret handshakes, Greek letters, and future politicians, all born from one campus club. Number 15, August 13, 1868. An earthquake struck Peru in Ecuador, triggering a massive tsunami that killed 25,000 people. The ocean swallowed entire towns, reminding everyone that Mother Nature doesn't care about your weekend plans. Number 14, August 13, 1889, German inventor William Gray patented the coin-operated payphone. Privacy? None, but at least you could call grandma if you had a nickel and didn't mind sharing your germs with strangers. Number 13, August 13, 1898, U.S. troops captured Manila, capital of the Philippines, ending the Spanish-American War there. Spain surrendered before anyone told the Filipino rebels. Awkward colonizer handoff ensued. Number 12, August 13, 1913, British metallurgist Harry Brearley invented stainless steel in Sheffield. Rust became optional. Cutlery, skyscrapers, and surgical tools would never be the same again. Thank you, science. Number 11, August 13th, 1923, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk became Turkey's first president after abolishing the Ottoman Sultanate. A fez-flipping reformer, he turned a crumbling empire into a secular republic with surprising fashion sense. Number 10, August 13th, 1937, Japan launched a full-scale attack on Shanghai during the Second Sino-Japanese War. The city became a battlefield, and civilian casualties reached shocking levels in one of history's bloodiest urban fights. Number 9, August 13, 1942, Walt Disney's Bambi premiered in the U.S. Dear Fire Hunters, it traumatized generations of children, but animation took a leap into emotional storytelling and thumped into our hearts. Number 8, August 13, 1956, Elvis Presley released Don't Be Cruel and Hound Dog as a double A side. Rock and roll wasn't just music anymore. It was a revolution, a pelvis, and a parental nightmare. Number 7, August 13, 1960, Central African Republic declared independence from France. David Dacko became president and later emperor. Yes, emperor. African politics meets royal cosplay. Number 6, August 13, 1961, East Germany began building the Berlin Wall. Overnight, families were split, freedom was bricked in, and Cold War symbolism reached new heights, literally. Number 5, August 13, 1969, Apollo 11 astronauts received a ticker tape parade in New York after returning from the moon. The city threw them a hero's welcome, and probably a parking ticket or two. Number 4, August 13, 1977, the Space Shuttle Enterprise made its first free flight from a Boeing 747. It didn't go to space, but it looked cool and launched a new era of reusable spacecraft. Number 3, August 13, 1993, Israel and the PLO agreed on the Oslo Accords. After secret talks in Norway, peace finally peeked around the corner until politics happened. Number 2, August 13, 2004. The Olympic Games returned to Athens, Greece, its birthplace. The opening ceremony featured giant statues, exploding history, and Zeus-sized expectations. Poseidon approved. Number 1, August 13, 2014, North Korea admitted to building its own smartphone, the Ariane. Analysts doubted it existed. The world wondered if it could make calls or just take 3,000 photos of Kim Jong-un. From emperors turned prisoners to phones with coins and Cold War bricks, August 13th delivered history's finest blend of drama and absurdity. But hold tight, August 14th brings magicians turned heroes, Martian missions, and a death that literally erased a religion. Hit that subscribe button and be first in line for tomorrow's epic blast from the past.